Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. Let me introduce my group. First, my name is Dewa Iwan Suarisma, student number 03 and 25. Next.
My name Christio, study number 0345. Next,
Okay, my name is Sart Sagita Galuhu, 0920. Okay, next.
today we will present about academic reading, practice, visual symbol, and the blind. Materials. First, main idea of each paragraph. Second, summary of the text. Third, analyzing sketch. Fourth, impact of reading activities. First, main idea of each paragraph from part 1. Paragraph first, from a number of recent studies, it has become clear that blind people can appreciate the use of outline and perspective to describe the arrangement of objects and other surfaces in space. Paragraph 2, decide to test whether various lines of motion were act ways of showing movement or if they were merely idiosyncratic marks. Moreover, I want to discover whether there were differences in how the blind and the sighted interpret line of motion. Paragraph 3. To search out this answer, I create a raised line drawing of 5 different wheels depicting spokes with line that curve, bend, wave, dash, and extended beyond the perimeter of the wheel. Paragraph 4. Subject assume that spoke extending beyond the wheel's perimeter signified that the wheel had its brakes on and that the spokes indicate the wheel was spinning quickly. Paragraph 5. Evidently, however, the blind not only figure out meaning for each line of motion, but as a group, they generally come up with the same meaning, at least as frequently as did cited subject. Part 2, first paragraph.
Okay.
We have found that the blind understand other kinds of visual metamorphs as well, and we have begun exploring how well blind people understand the symbolism behind such as words that do not directly represent their meaning. Paragraph 2. We gave a list of 20 pairs of words to selected subject and asked them to pick from each pair the term that best relate to a circle and the term that best relate to a square. Paragraph 3. When we test for totally blind volunteers using the same list, we found that their choice closely resembled those made by the selected subject. Then we conclude that the blind interpret abstract steps as a sighted people do.
Okay, to next. Summary of from part 1 and part 2 in the text. Part 1. One of the undergraduate student, along with the signet undergraduate control group from the University of Toronto doing research on the blind. The subject of the study is described as a spinning wheel. There are 5 types of line drawing world from 5 different worlds. The subject assumes a different meaning in each of the 5 lines drawing of the 5 spinning world. At last, however, the blind not only figure out meaning from each line of oneself, but as a group, they generally come up with the same meaning as less as did segment subject. It was for that blind people also understand other types of visual metaphor as well, which can hardly the blind as a training symbolist is to giving at least 20 pairs of words the subject a subject. There is a branch to get the percentage of the volunteer will vote their choice closely. As a member toss made by the subject in votes, only a small majority of the subject had fired far and near to the opposite partners. So the consulants that the plea interpret abstract types and subject people do.
Okay, material presenters third is analyzing sketch. Looks like a right picture. As we can see in the text, this image is located in part 1, which is usually used by blind people who describe a circle with curved line in the middle, which indicates that is a wheel. If, in my opinion, as a common people, I see this picture like a marble with decorative content inside. In the third paragraph, there are five different curves. They are simple curve, bend, wave, dash, and extended. Yang first curve. The curve shape D is indicating spinning steadily on the wheel. For me, it looks like candy, to be honest. Second, the R bend curve wheel that indicating that wheel were jerking. In my opinion, that shape was kinda cool if used for the logo. For me, I don't know which shape looks similar to that. 3. Shape wave. The third shape it was indicating the wheel was touched for me. It looked like turbine engine. 4. Shape desert. This desert indicating the wheel spinning quickly. For me, it looked like a pizza in the carton. Last, the 5 side is extended. In this part was the extended indication by blind people was for a wheel had a brick. For me, it almost like a peace symbol, but with more the line right and left in 5 side. Part 2. In the next paragraph, there is a circle and square that indicate soft or hard, good or evil, happy or sad, etc. I don't know about this what for me. The cycle was soft, good, bright, and the square was hard, heavy, and strong. Next steps is square and circle. In the next paragraph, there is circle and square that indicate soft or hard, good or evil, happy or sad. I don't know about this but for me. The circle was soft, good, bright, and the square was hard, heavy, and strong. Okay, the last material of this presentation is impact of reading activities. The impact of reading activities is we can become aware of new word and new sentence in a text, as well as knowledge to make presentation with conclusion that adapt to the content of the text. No less important, we can also learn about correct pronunciation, correct word layout, and proper and correct grammar usage. One more thing, by doing this activity we will always be people who often read and study information and draw and analyze it. Thanks.